Hey guys, this is Maima here and you're watching Style Craze TV, and I'm here to show you some really nice DIY do-it-yourself hairstyles. So I'm going to be starting with a tornado braid in this episode. So what we're going to do is just make our hair look like that two tornadoes swirling on both sides, and you never know, your look might just be a tornado in the party. So let's get started. What I've done is, for this hairstyle you need to part your hair. Please do not have a middle section. So don't have a center parting because that looks totally nerdy. So yeah, just part your hair. So I like parting it to my left. So what I'm going to do is put my hair so like this lamp symbol, and section your hair from the back into two sections, like two segments, right? And I'm going to take a little section of my hair in the front and twist it around. You can twist it in any direction you want, but I twist it outwards. So I'm just going to twist this and add another section. Continue to twist another section and continue to twist. So do not take any sections of your hair from the back, just keep taking it from the front, and you'll see this little twist forming in the hair. Here we've got our first twist. Towards the end, just keep twisting your hair. Look at here. So you can't leave this because it's gonna again untwirl. So I'm just gonna for now. Try to have bun with a little bit small one. And don't leave it yet. Just secure your twist with a few bobby pins. Try and make sure that this doesn't fall off. I'm going to just repeat the same procedure on this side of my hair. So like I said, it's damn simple. Just take a section of your hair here and twist it outwards. Another section, add it to the first one and continue twisting. This side as well, using bobby pins. Right. I'm going to just open up this. I'm going to tie it on the back over here. a low pony in this one because of the brush my and you have your tornado twist braid ready. So this is how it is going to look. If you want and you feel that this is too tight for you or something, you could just always like pull it out a bit on both the ends. You ready?